Hey, this is Said from Affiliates.com, and today I'm back with another video. And in this video we're going to talk about, well, I'm going to reveal to you what I believe is the best affiliate marketing training course in existence at the present moment that I've come across. So affiliate marketing, as we know it, is becoming more and more popular these days, as many people are looking for an alternative way to earn an income other than a job, right? It's not surprising that it appeals to a lot of people, as affiliate marketing is a realistic and proven way to earn an income online without the need to have your own product. So you are promoting other people's products or companies' products such as Amazon. As a result, you don't need to physically handle any aspects of the sales, such as product storage, shipping and handling, or customer service, etc. So your only work is to promote and find people online or offline who may have interest in your products and educate them, inform them about the products and results they are likely to provide. With so many benefits of affiliate marketing, the need for training in this field is very high. Therefore, there are plenty of courses out there to train and teach you affiliate marketing. I've personally gone through many of them, teaching the mechanics and technical aspects of affiliate marketing, which is great, and we all need that. Having said that, the course I'm about to tell you about, that I'm currently undergoing, I'm currently on the course myself, has something extraordinary that no other course has. In my full review, I've even gone as far as saying it's a quantum leap in affiliate marketing training. Yeah, and that's not only my take on the program, but if you read the reviews on Trustpilot, the leading internet review site, you realize that thousands of other students also feel in a similar way, which further confirms my feelings and opinions. So without further ado, I want to tell you about this course. It's called the Success Challenge for Affiliate Marketing from the 4% Company. So the Success Challenge is a pioneering program that trains and provides you everything you need to build a profitable, sustainable affiliate marketing business, and specifically reach the income milestone of $10,000 in a step-by-step, over-the-shoulders format. Achieving the initial income level of $10,000 ensures that you're earning at least 6 figures online, which far exceeds the average global salary of a job income. It is also agreed by many people that earning 6 figures can comfortably pay for your bills, expenses, and help you live a better quality lifestyle. So the course is led by an 8-figure earner in the online space, a gentleman by the name of Vic Straishaus, hopefully I pronounced his surname right, and the founder of the 4% Company. The Success Challenge is their flagship core program that they've released. So Vic, let's talk about Vic. Vic has over 14 years of affiliate marketing experience and is generating multiple 7 figures in affiliate marketing alone. He's also the creator of the Success Challenge and has included his most potent strategies that allowed him to dominate leaderboards and become the top earner in various affiliate programs. For example, one of his famous achievements in history and today is when Vic generated $720,000 in a single month on an affiliate program he recently joined at the time. So despite that, over 140,000 affiliates were also promoting the same product line. Now that tells us the right strategy is key, especially when you're faced with competition of over 140,000 affiliates promoting the same thing. Vic, using his talents and unique strategies, simply crushed it and dominated the leaderboards. And now you have the opportunity, I also have the opportunity, you and I have the opportunity to learn these types of strategies from the man himself in the Success Challenge. I keep on saying channel. Success Challenge. So Vic has coached over 3 million people worldwide and has created many success stories and helped people break through in generating their first commissions and incomes online. It's also due to Vic's teachings and training that I've personally generated my first ever commissions online. Income disclaimer: there's no guarantee you'll earn the amounts mentioned here, or in fact any amount of income. However, if you learn and apply the right strategies, work hard and smart, only time will tell what you're capable of. Only time will tell how far you can go. You may be thinking, what if I'm new? What if I've failed in the past? What if I'm not getting, I'm already getting results, I'm doing okay. Can this training help me in any way? Well, the Success Challenge is designed to accommodate and help you achieve success or even more success, regardless of your current situation or experience. Even if you've been failing up until now or even starting out as a beginner, Success Challenge can help you. Now let me tell you where the Success Challenge rockets all the way up in comparison to other affiliate marketing training courses that I've experienced myself. The Success Challenge is not just a course on affiliate marketing. It's a program that will take you on a journey to finding your true purpose and what you really want in life. Once you've established your passion, exactly know what you want with clarity, then you're going to be undergoing some life-changing trainings and implementation on fulfilling your purpose and achieving success. And the Success Challenge will guide you through all that. So the Success Challenge is a course on transformation, in the sense that once you've been through the course, you're fully immersed in it, put your full commitment into it, I can tell you, your life will never be the same in the most amazing way. Mark my words. You will change the way you think and the way you do everything in your life, personally and in business. The change is, of course, a change of improvement to what you were, to who you're going to become. That is the greatest version of yourself. So you may be thinking, why is a course on affiliate marketing focused on changing and improving me as a person? Well, it's because the Success Challenge is an extension and implementation of the vision of the 4%, which is to help people become great entrepreneurs, great people, great success stories in their own lives and the community that they coexist in. Look, you can do affiliate marketing by learning free information on various websites online, YouTube, forums, blogs and all that. But if you want to go beyond the sea of average and aim for ultimate greatness in your personal life, your work life, and affiliate marketing, of course, then you need to become a certain type of person to go that far. And the Success Challenge is strategically designed to help you become that type of person. An outstanding, esteemed, relentless, resilient, disciplined individual that is rebuilt and re-engineered for phenomenal success in affiliate marketing, in entrepreneurship, wealth generation, and life in general. So after having been through loads of success courses on affiliate marketing, I believe the Success Challenge is the best affiliate marketing course in existence. And I'm not just saying this lightly. I've published also a review of the full details, of the Success Challenge, and you can check her out. I'll provide the link a bit later. But before I end this video, I'm not sure what your situation is, but regardless of your circumstances right now at this point in life, if you truly want to start changing and improving your life, your finances, your lifestyle in general, then please just take a leap of faith and at least check out my review of the Success Challenge that I've written and see for yourself if the course is a good fit for you or not. Remember one thing though, and I want to warn you, that the Success Challenge, it's not for everyone. That's why it's called a challenge. It's for you if you're fed up of being an average and want to go above average. It's for you if you want to learn from an 8-figure earner who's done multiple millions with affiliate marketing alone. It's for you if you're stuck in a job you hate and you want to change it with an alternative income that will allow you to potentially replace the job income or even go beyond, above and beyond. It's for you if you want to learn how to generate multiple streams of passive and residual income. It's for you if you don't mind being uncomfortable and doing the things that many people would not do. It's for you if you can work hard and work smart at the same time. It's for you if you believe the get rich is quick button is not true and you need to put in work. Right? So get rich quick is not true in many cases. You have to put in the work. Right? If you're looking for get rich quick, this is not for you. Definitely not for you. It's for you if you agree to work so hard when it's required that you don't care what time it is, what day it is, you will do the work until you're finished. It's for you if you're hungry for success, as Les Brown says. It's for you if you want more time freedom, money freedom, and location freedom. Also what I refer to as the ultimate freedom. It's for you if you specifically want to become the greatest you can be and you'll do whatever it takes to achieve greatness and success. If you're okay with all the above, then congratulations, my friend. Looks like you sure have what it takes to go out and there and crush it, dominate and achieve the success, greatness at the highest levels. So if you want to learn more about the Success Challenge, I said I've written a review and you can learn more about the Success Challenge and read my review at the following website. If you go to this website, affiliateship.com/SCR. So that's affiliateship.com/SER. I've also included the link in the YouTube description below. Also, I just want to thank you for watching this video. If you watched this, until the end right now, it looks like you're serious. You want to change your life, you want to improve your life, and that's excellent. Check out my review and decide for yourself if it's for you or not. If you like this video, please comment, like and subscribe. And if you'd like some free resources I put together on how to earn income with affiliate marketing, please visit affiliateship.com/free. I've also put the link in the YouTube description. Thanks for watching and see you next time.